Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited for today's video. I'm doing the rice water rinse. Finally getting around to it. I've had so many requests to do this mask and I finally got around to it. So I actually didn't use it as a rinse. I used it as a deep conditioner, which you guys are going to see later on in this video. But I think next time I'm definitely going to ferment it and do the rinse just to kind of try out both. And then that way I'll do like an Instagram post about it or something, so I don't do like an entire other rice water video. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and let's just jump right into the video. Alright you guys, so this is one of the easiest DIYs I've done in a while. All you need is rice, water, and a bowl. I'm using white rice because that's what I had at home, but feel free to use organic, white, brown, whatever you want. Just be sure that no matter what rice you're using, you wash it first because you don't want anything extra in there like dust or anything from their factories in your hair. I'm also using room temperature distilled water. You can always just boil tap water, but I'm not using plain tap water for the same reason as you wash the rice. I don't want anything extra in there, and you don't want to use boiling water because it can sometimes leach out the nutrients too quickly and then kill them, and then it kind of makes your rice water useless. So for every tablespoon of rice I use 1 cup of water. So here I use 2 tablespoons of rice and 2 cups of water. Here I'm just kneading the rice in the water to kind of get the process started to help get those nutrients flowing out of the rice. You're going to want to let this soak for about half an hour. I'm going to be covering mine with some plastic wrap to let it soak in, but you can put this in a mason jar, in a container, whatever you want. If you want to make fermented rice water, all you have to do is leave this mixture in your fridge for a little bit over 24 hours. This way it'll be a little bit stronger, the smell will also be stronger. So if you do it this way, just be sure to dilute it with some extra water before applying it to your hair because it can be a little bit too harsh. And that's it. If you're doing it just the regular way, leave this in for half an hour and you are good to use it. Alright, so it's been about half an hour. I've let this rice water like soak up for about half an hour now. I know I look crazy, but this is coming down. I'm going to be putting in my hair. Just a warning, my hair is disgusting. It's wash day, which is why I tried to plan this whole mask around wash day. Also, I feel like you guys are so far away, but I want you to be able to see at least half of my hair while I'm putting this in, and if I go any closer you won't be able to see anything. So I'm out of breath. This is what your rice water should look like when it's done. It should be very cloudy. That's how you know it worked and that you did it right. If you leave it in overnight, I think it's for a little bit over 24 hours, you can make fermented rice water. I have a really hard time saying that word. Fermented rice water. And then it'll be a little bit cloudier than this. It'll also have a stronger smell. And if you do it that way, just be sure to dilute it before you use it. I'm going to be trying that way next time I use it, and then I'll do an Instagram post about it, so be sure to follow me there. I put mine in this little spray bottle just because it's a lot easier to distribute that way, but you can do it however you'd like. I'm going to be using this as like a pre-poo treatment or like a deep conditioning treatment and a scalp treatment. But you can use this as like a leave-in, you can use it as a rinse, so you would just pour that mixture over your head in the shower after shampoo and conditioner, and you can just leave it like that. You don't have to rinse it out. But like I said, I'm going to be using this before I wash my hair because I really need to wash my hair. So I'm going to take this all down and I'm going to give you guys a little voiceover about the benefits of rice water and why this is actually so good for your hair and for hair growth. Okay, so obviously I had to listen to music. Give this video a thumbs up if you love the Beastie Boys as much as I do, because that's what I was listening to. After brushing my hair and making sure that it's completely tangle free, I start by applying this on my scalp. I focused the majority of this on my scalp mainly for the hair growth benefits of rice water, but of course I also applied it to my ends because it can also act as a natural conditioner and leave your hair super shiny and healthy. But on your scalp it's great because of its amino acids. That's like the main benefit of this rice water, you guys. Amino acids aid in the regeneration of hair and hair growth. It also can help you to reduce split ends. Rice water can also improve the hair's elasticity. It protects it from dandruff. It's also amazing for dandruff, so if you have a really dry, itchy scalp, using rice water in your hair a couple times a week, whether you're using it like I am or you're using it as a rinse, it can really help to soothe that itchy scalp and help to lessen the amount of dandruff that you're getting. And like I said before, it's also a really great hair conditioner, so it'll leave your hair super shiny and soft and really easy to manage and brush through, and that's why so many people use rice water. Rice water is actually being used for ages as like a hair wash or a natural conditioner, and I don't know why I slept on it for so long. This is definitely going to be a part of my routine now. To experience the full benefits that rice water has to offer, you definitely try using this in your hair, but once or twice a week, whether you're using it like I did or you're using it as a rinse. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave this in my hair for about an hour, maybe more. You can pretty much leave it in as long as you like. As long as you leave it in for an hour, you're good to go. Then I'm going to just wash it out normally with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. And I really hope that this works out because kind of was a lot of work, but not really. So I'll see you guys in about an hour. Alright guys, so these are the results. I'm filming this the next day because, as you know, my hair takes forever to dry and I don't use any heat or anything. I also didn't brush it last night or put any kind of leave-in product or anything, so this is exactly how my hair turned out. I washed it with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and look how shiny. I focused this mainly on my roots because I wanted to really give my scalp the chance to kind of absorb the benefits and my roots to absorb the benefits, but as you guys obviously saw, I put it in my ends as well. So this is kind of how the rest of it looks. It was also really easy to brush through. As you guys know, I don't brush my hair after I wash it until it's completely dry. So sometimes when I wake up in the morning, it's all like matted and stuff from going to sleep with it. But this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with the results. Obviously, I can't say much about like the hair growth part of it because no matter what treatment you do, your hair is not going to grow overnight. But as you guys can see, my hair is looking really shiny and it feels really soft, so I definitely would recommend this as like a deep conditioner. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm definitely going to be doing this as like a rinse with the fermented rice water, and I'll be doing a whole Instagram post on that in the future. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!